So welcome back to the channel, everyone. Triple M here. Today's Thursday, of course. Today is one of 3 giveaways for the 2019 Nvidia Shield remote. For you guys that are new to the channel, recently subscribed, when the 2019 Shield was released, I was one of the first ones to review it and instantly stated that this remote is the best part of this upgrade. So a couple features that makes this remote stand out from the original. One, it does use standard batteries. So simply slide the back off, replace your batteries, and you're all set. No messing around with chargers or messing around with flat batteries. It's hard to get hold of. So this makes it easier for you to actually remove the battery, replace it, and you're up and running again. Second feature that sold this is the backlight buttons on this controller. So really loved it, guys. It is motion sensitive. All you have to do is just touch it and it will go ahead and light up, and it is pretty bright. It does have some settings within the Nvidia Shield that you can go ahead and adjust the intensity. Another feature that I think was killer is the paging function. So with this new controller, there's an audible beep, and it also lights up if you lose the controller. Head over to Nvidia Shield. If you have the 2019 Shield dongle, you can just press a button on the Shield. It will start beeping, and it will also light up the buttons. That way, if it's in plain view or if it's somewhere just randomly sitting, you will see it light up. And last but not least, and I must mention this, is that this is compatible with your older Nvidia Shield. So I've done a couple videos showing you guys how to pair this to your old Nvidia Shield or your new Nvidia Shield, how to forget it, and all the functions work properly with the new Shield or the older Shield. So go ahead and check those videos. I'll put a card in the top right. Also, I'll leave a couple links in the description. So those are the features that stood out, guys. Makes this remote just a lot better, more practical in my opinion. Also, just going through some of the comments, you can see a lot of people just have a lot of issues with the remote. Some people, their dog ate it. Some people just lost it. Broke on some people. The old batteries having issues. Slider control issues. A lot of reason why the new remote only makes sense. And to make that even more complicated, this remote is extremely hard to get. So as I explained in my other video, is that if you go to the Nvidia Shield website, it will not be available. You'll need to sign up with your email. They'll send a notification when it's available, and when you get that email, you have literally 30 to 45 seconds to grab the quantity, check out. If you don't, it will be sold out. So I'm not going to talk you guys to that. 3 giveaways. Today's the first one. We're doing an Instagram giveaway today. Tomorrow we're doing a giveaway for Twitter, so you still have a chance to win essentially if you don't win today. And Saturday we're doing the final giveaway, and that will be on YouTube. So what I'll do, I'll link the original giveaway video in the description as well as the comment section. If you didn't win today, go check out the video in its entirety and make sure you enter for those other opportunities. Recently sent a reminder, but here's the original post for the giveaway. So a lot of cool comments on here, a lot of new followers as well, a lot of stories on Instagram as well as YouTube and Twitter telling me, hey, this happened to my old remote or that happened to my old remote. So very entertaining. I'll go ahead and scroll through some of them at some point. So big shout out to everyone that actually entered for this opportunity to win. And as far as the giveaway, it's going to be completely random, guys. So that way, can't be rigged. What you see is what you get, and no blame should really go around because it was a completely random process. So in order to get a winner, guys, I have the URL to the post. I'll go ahead and paste it there again. I'll go ahead and do a quick search. All right, so it's identified 26 unique comments. So what that means is that if you're one of those people that commented multiple times, it does not improve your chances to win. So let's go ahead and pick a winner, and good luck to everyone. All right, so today's winner is, I'm not even gonna try to pronounce it. So Ta Do Services, whatever that means. So his comment was just saying, hey, 2 old shields, 2 remotes that don't work. So that's definitely consistent to what I see in some of those comments. So big shout out to Do Services. You're the winner of the new Nvidia Shield remote, the first one that is. When you see this video, shoot me a DM, hit me up on Twitter, on Facebook. You can also email me. My email address is in the description of all my videos. I need your shipping information. That way I can get this out to you. For anyone else that didn't win this time, remember we have 2 more opportunities, guys. The next giveaway is going to be on Twitter. This is the post right here. It's pinned to the top of my Twitter page, guys. Just head over there. Just need to retweet. Go ahead and drop a comment in the comment section, and we'll pick another winner tomorrow. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.